Hello everyone, Wake Angel 2001 here. I got another package in the mail today, so let's find out which one this is for. Oh, and while I'm cutting through this tape, quick addendum from yesterday's unboxing. It turns out that those All-Stars Racer vehicles were not gifts from me. Dylan D, who's getting his figures commissioned. He wanted he ordered those for himself, but to save on shipping, he had them shipped to me so that I could just stick them in the package with his customs when they're done. So that's the story behind those. They are not mine. That being said, let's open up this thing. It's in this bag. Is it? How did they? It looks like when I try to take the bag out, there's another bag in the bag. How do you even? What? I am increasingly baffled by how packed. There is another full bag inside the original bag. I am increasingly baffled by the sheer insanity of packaging material these days. And this plastic doesn't feel recyclable. Can't even freaking cut it! Okay. This is apparently, it started as a medium flat rate box, which they cut apart and made into a different size box. You know, in my age, I have developed quite a lot of patience. I can go through stuff like this without stressing myself out. I'm sure some of my younger viewers are frantically reaching down to that scroll bar to see if they can fast forward to the part where I actually have the box open. I will find that hilarious. Let me know in the comments if that is indeed a thing that you did. Of course, you probably didn't see this part. Okay. Bubble wrap inside. Okay, this... yes! Yes. This is a thing I ordered for myself. Yes. Okay, so... I did order this for myself for the purpose of the next round of commissioners. Yes. It is the Disney Storytellers Aladdin and Genie 2-pack. I ordered it off of eBay. Yes, this is an Aladdin figure, which I believe might make a better base toy for Surge the Tenric than the Toybox Aladdin figure. The legs are not quite as long. They look like they're easier to bend at the knee, and Aladdin's legs have a naturally skinnier ankle, so I can do the thing where, like, the first time I made Surge, like, just using Aladdin by itself, the legs were too long, so I had to cut out pieces of his thighs to make her short enough, and then, like, in the comic book, like, her pants stop a little bit up her shin, and then there's some of her shin visible before her shoe goes in. But because I couldn't have the figure be too tall, like there's like almost no space between her pants and her shoe, so I feel like there wasn't enough shin there. So this Aladdin might actually work better for the purposes of making, you know, our favorite little Tenric girl. And the Genie figure, of course, might make a pretty decent base for Zavik. So, you know, 2 potential customs in one package. Got a Zavik and a Surge. So, that's fun. Alright, so that's what this package was. Not something that was sent to me, but something that I willingly ordered for myself. So, that being said, this is Wake Angel 2001 signing off.